Hello, are your online orders double printing to the Clover device or to the kitchen printer? Are you getting two prints and you want to reduce it to one print? So let me show you what I mean by that. As you guys know, when an order online comes through, it prints out. But let's suppose it's printing out twice. And let's pretend this is the kitchen printer and it's printing out two copies, but you want one copy. So how do you make it print out one copy, not two? There's two ways to do this. I'm gonna show you both ways because I don't know how many kitchen printers you have. So I'm gonna assume that you have one kitchen printer and one Clover station printer. If you have one of each, this is how you prevent double printing. You go to the Smart Online Order app, find this app right here called Smart Online Order, or swipe down to find it. Mine is up here. Find it, press Settings, Printing. And the reason why it's double printing is because you have two boxes checked for order receipt printing. See if you look over here, it says Kitchen Star Labels Printing. It says choose this device if you have more than one kitchen printer. Since you have one kitchen printer, you want to uncheck this box and only check the box auto print order receipt. Okay? And once you check the box auto print order receipt, you choose your order receipt printer. You choose your kitchen printer. Okay, now that's the way to do it if you're not using labels. Labels is something that assigns the orders to the kitchen, to the station, to the other kitchen printers. If you are not using labels, or if you are using labels, there's different setup you have to do. If you are using labels, then you have to do the complete opposite. You have to uncheck this box and then check this box. See how I did the opposite? I checked the box kitchen labels printing, and I uncheck the box auto print order receipt, okay? So again, the point of this video is to show you that do not check both of them, okay? If you have both of them checked, it'll print twice. Either check this one if you have labels printing, or check this one if you don't have labels printing, okay? So again, only check one of these two options. That way it does not print twice to your Clover station or to your kitchen printer. All right, thank you.